There is a range of compound light microscopes used in Australian schools. The microscope on the left is a monocular version, as it only has one eyepiece, whereas the one on the right is called a stereo microscope because of its two eyepieces. If you were using a stereo microscope, you need to adjust the two ocular lenses to suit the space between your eyes. You should see just one circle of light when adjusted correctly. Most ocular lenses will indicate how many times they magnify an image, in this case by 10 times. To use the microscope, you start by turning on the light switch and adjust the brightness using a dimmer. Some other microscopes will use a mirror to reflect light up to your eyes. A prepared slide is placed on a stage between or under stage clips. By rotating knobs under the stage, the slide can be moved backwards and forwards or sideways to position the specimen over the condenser. With some microscopes, you may have to manually move the slide around. The condenser can be moved up or down, but is usually positioned just under the stage. The objective lenses have their own times magnification, which you multiply with that of the ocular lens to give the total magnification. So, a 10 times ocular lens combined with a 4 times objective lens gives a total magnification of 40 times. The objective lenses can be clicked into place when turned on the turret. To focus on a specimen, start with your lowest magnification. Use the coarse focusing knob to raise the stage to its highest point. Slowly turn the coarse focusing knob to lower the stage until the specimen comes into focus. Then use the fine focus knob to get it perfectly sharp. For an even clearer image, rotate the iris diaphragm. This alters the amount of light travelling up to your eyes. It has the effect of changing the contrast of the image. When you are ready to view your specimen at a higher magnification, make sure the point of interest is in the middle of the field of view. When you go to the higher level, it will still be in the centre of your field of view. Looking from the side of the microscope, slowly turn the turret, making sure the next biggest lens does not contact the slide as it is being moved into position. Provided you haven't moved the stage down, you will probably only need to adjust the fine focus to achieve sharpness. The iris diaphragm can also be adjusted to achieve the best contrast. Remember, each time you look at a new specimen, start with the lowest level of magnification and then gradually increase it as required. Enjoy discovering a new microscopic world every time you use your microscope.